Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll be talking with you guys about an alternative application to AirDrop. So I've been using AirDrop on my iOS devices for quite some time now, and I've been trying to search for an application which is similar to AirDrop, which works between different platforms, because I keep hopping between different platforms for my shooting purposes and also for my other work purposes, and I have not managed to find a perfect application which suits all the platforms and which works best. But now I can confidently say that I have found one application. I'll be showing you guys and walking you guys through that exact app in this video. So guys, the app that I'm talking about in this video is called Local Send. Before we go ahead and install this application on our devices, I just want to give a brief about this app, on what is this app, how helpful is this application, and what does it offer for us as end users. So Local Send is actually a open source cross-platform file sharing application. First thing is, it is free and it is completely ad-free. There are no ads on this platform, and it is obviously open source. So whenever and wherever you find the opportunities as a developer to contribute to this project, you can go ahead and add more features to this project and make sure that you improve this platform going forward. So it's an open source platform. The source code is completely available on GitHub, and you can even view the community over here. If you go to the community, there will be a lot of questions and forums and discussions that will be happening about the Local Send application. There is an option to download over here, which we will be doing now. It's a decentralized system and it is a cross-platform application. Not only like AirDrop, which works only on the iOS and the Apple devices, you can use Local Send application on any devices for that matter, whether it is iOS to Windows, or whether it is Android to Mac, or whether it is Android to Linux or iPhone to Linux. It works across any two different platforms. Let's go ahead and download it. Let's download an exe file over there. As you can see, the exe has been downloaded. It is around 14 MB over there. Let's go ahead and click on it. Install for all users. Let's click on yes. Let's select English language. Let's click on next. Create a desktop shortcut. Click on next, and let's click on install. I'm going ahead and installing it on my iPad as well. So let's go ahead and install on my iPad. So Local Send has been successfully installed on my iPad, and also it has been installed on my Windows machine as well. One important thing that you guys need to know is that this application needs the two devices to be present on the same network. As you can see, this is my iPad, which is connected to the same Wi-Fi as my Windows computer over there. So let's go ahead and click on send. As you can see, it is immediately showing Bright Tomato. Bright Tomato is the name of my iPad over here for this current session. Let's select the file over here. I want to just send this video file. This video file is selected, and here, as you can see, when I select Bright Tomato, immediately the video file will start showing. The 42 MB video file transferred within a fraction of a second. The transfer speed is actually very fast. That is one important thing that I've observed. The transfer speed is extremely fast. Now let me send a file from my iPad over here to my Mac device. So let's go ahead and do that. And when I selected this image file, you can add multiple files. So there are 3 images that I want to send, and click on Kind Coconut, which is my Windows device over there. As you can see, when I clicked on Kind Coconut, immediately these 3 files have appeared, and let's click on accept and done. As you can see, all the 3 files have been saved successfully. Let's go ahead and view it. So this is the PC, this is my downloads, and within the downloads, as you can see, all the 3 images in the original resolution have been transferred successfully to my Windows device. People, if they're using an iPhone and a Windows device, facing difficulties in order to send files between those two devices, but now not anymore. It is completely ad-free. As you can see, this is the file that I sent, this is one more file, and this is one more file. I had sent a video file from my laptop to here. You can view it directly on your photos, and here is the file. As you can see, I'm able to view that file in the original resolution. This is the video file which I just sent from my Windows system to my iPad. I'm showing this process between my Mac and also my Android device over here, installing the Local Send app on this LG Wing and also on my Mac device over here. Just wanted to say that the DMG file that is there on the Mac devices is actually 34 MB. So let's go ahead and install it. So the Local Send app is getting installed on my Mac device as of now. Local local send application. As you can see, the app is getting opened. Let's click on open over there. Yes, I want to give the permission, allow to find the networks. Okay guys, I'll be going ahead and selecting a file from my Mac device which is of a higher size, so that I'll be able to show you guys how fast the file gets transferred to the Android smartphone that is present over here, this video file. Okay, as you can see, I've selected a file which is 3 gigabytes, and this is the energetic coconut, which is my Android device over here. As you can see, the file request has come. Let me go ahead and accept it. As you can see, it also clearly mentions the speed at which the transfer is happening, which is around 6.8 megabytes per second. As you can see, the transfer between my Mac OS device and my Android device for a large file of 3.1 GB has been successfully completed, and it took around 6 minutes 50 seconds. Now I am actually showcasing how you can transfer between an Android device over here, which is my Nothing Phone 2, and an iPad. How you can use the share feature that is present on our devices directly to share using the local send application. This is a random video that I've selected. Let's click on share over there, and when you click on share, as you can see, there is an option called local send over here. Click on local send. As you can see, it is showing bright tomato. Click on bright tomato, and here showing as accept. As you can see, the photo has been shared, the video has been transferred here successfully within a matter of few seconds. As you can see, I've opened the local send application over here on my device, and before we end this video, I wanted to show you a couple of quick things. When you open the application for the first time, there are these options that is present. There is this receive option, there is this send option, and when you go to this home page where this receive option is present, there is also the history of sending that is present. Okay, so there is this history, and also there is this option that is present which mentions the IP address, the port number, and also the device name. Here on the left side bar, we have the settings option that is present. So the theme, if you select the system theme, it uses the default theme that is applied on your system. If you want the light theme is also present over here. Color can be OLED or Yaru or system theme or local send theme. Language, you can change different languages that is present over here. As you can see, there are multiple different languages, which is a very cool thing. Auto restart option is present, animation is present, quick save is present over here, quick save for favorites, require pin option is also present over here. Some anonymous people cannot send files to you if you are present on the same network, so require pin is also present. So the destination also can be changed over here. If you select the destination, whichever folder that you want to make sure that you want to save these files into, that specific folder can also be selected. Auto finish option is present, save to history is present, and also this network, you can restart the server. If something is not working, you can stop the server and restart the server. And you can change the name of your system over here, generate random aliases, or you can select one single name for your entire device. Okay, and also these are the different settings, and let's click on advanced settings over here. As you can see, these are the advanced settings. Device type can be selected, Mac OS. A device model can be selected over here, port number, and few other things. When you click on changelog, you'll be able to understand what are the different updates that has been done by which specific user for this application, since it's an open source application. And when you click on community over here and click on English, you can see that GitHub link will be automatically opened over there. You can see all the latest pull requests that are present for this, and also the entire source code of this application is present. You can directly go ahead and download the zip file or clone it onto your IDE of choice. How is the code written for it, and if you feel there are some improvements that need to be done, or if there are some changes that need to be done as well, you can go ahead and obviously suggest those changes, and the community owner or the sponsor of this project will go ahead and review your code, and if it is making sense, they'll approve your code, and also that feature will be obviously used in the next releases of this application. That is the beauty of open source community. And if you guys like such videos where we talk in front of the camera using our system's webcam and explain something that is happening on the screen, if you guys like such kind of videos, do let us know in the comment section below. Try to explain between the different platforms that I have, like the Android, the iPad, the Windows, and also the Mac device. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.